Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take your videos to the next level with just one simple tool. Whether you want to enhance your video quality up to 4K, convert your video into different formats, or even compress it to reduce file size without losing quality, this tool has got you covered. I'm talking about Wondershare UniConverter, an all-in-one solution for all your video needs. With UniConverter, you can enhance video quality using AI to make your videos sharper, clearer, and more professional. Compress videos so they take up less storage and upload much faster while keeping the original quality. Convert videos into any format you want with support for LUTs for color grading and batch processing so you can work on multiple files at once. It's fast, easy to use, and perfect whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone who wants their videos to look amazing. So if you're ready to upgrade your video game, check out Wondershare UniConverter. I've left the link in the description below. Now, let's dive right in and see how it works. So the link is available in the description. Once you click on it and install Wondershare UniConverter, you'll see the dashboard just like this. Here's the software interface, very clean and easy to navigate. At the top, you'll find the converter where you can convert videos, audio, and even image files. Then we have the hot features section, which includes tools like screen recorder, speech to text, subtitle editor, video enhancer, compressor, video editor, and so much more. You'll also see dedicated tabs for video tools, audio tools, and image tools, giving you everything in one place. But in today's video, our main focus is on how you can enhance a blurry video. So let's go straight to the video enhancer feature. And here I just need to drag and drop my blurry video. Once the video is imported, you can preview it right here. Now the next step is to choose the AI model. UniConverter offers several options like quality restoration, anime enhancement, face enhancement, general video denoise, frame interpolation. For this example, I'll select quality restoration. After that, just click on the export button and the software will automatically start enhancing your video. And here's the result. As you can see, our video is now in full HD quality with restored sharpness and clarity. It looks so much better than before. Now let's try it on another video. This time I have a gym video that looks blurry. I'll import it here and now I need to select the AI model. For this one, I'll choose face enhancement because it's designed to optimize faces, restore high definition clarity, and even bring back natural skin texture. Once I select it, I can choose the enhancement level, face enhancement to 4x quality or 2x quality. I'll go with 4x quality, then click export. Within seconds, the processing is done and here's the result. The video is now in full HD quality, looking clear and professional. That's how simple it is to enhance video quality. Now let's move to the compressor feature. This tool allows you to compress both video and audio files without losing quality. For example, I'll upload this MP4 video, which is 304 megabytes in size. With one click, it compresses down to 212 megabytes while keeping the same quality. If you want to reduce the size even further, you can adjust the settings, then hit OK and finally click the compress button. Once it's done, you can preview the output, and if I check the properties, you'll see the file is now just 161 megabytes. That's a huge space saver, and the quality still looks great. Next, we have the converter feature. With this, you can convert videos into almost any format you need. For example, here's my MP4 video and I'll convert it into MOV format. UniConverter also supports formats like MKV, AVI, WAV, MP3 and many more, including device-specific and web formats. I'll just select MOV and click Convert. And now my video is instantly converted. On top of that, there's batch processing. If you have multiple videos, you don't need to do them one by one. Just upload all of them, set your preferences, and click Convert All. UniConverter will process them all at once. So that's Wondershare UniConverter, an all-in-one solution where you can easily enhance video quality, compress files, convert formats, and even process multiple videos in bulk. The link is available in the description, so make sure to check it out. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.